Hello, everyone. Welcome to Cosmic Curiosities, your go to channel for discovering the secrets of a successful career in IT and beyond. Today, we're diving into the exciting topic that's on everyone's mind: how to land a 1 crore salary in Indian IT industry. But before we get into the roles, let me share quickly a story. So meet Rohan, an IT professional earning 20 lakhs per annum during the pandemic. While many industries struggle, Rohan made a smart move. He upskilled in cloud computing and DevOps, completed certifications, and within just a year, he landed a cloud engineering role with 1 crore package. Incredible, right? This brings us to the question, why is IT such a reliable and rewarding career? But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share. This motivates me. Now let's get started. Why is IT such a reliable and rewarding career? First, there is constant demand. By 2025, India alone will have 50 lakhs IT jobs, supporting companies like Netflix, Swiggy, Uber, Ola, which rely on IT professionals to manage and innovate their systems. Second, IT offers stability and flexibility. During the pandemic, while many businesses shut down, IT professionals were busy launching new apps, automating systems to keep companies afloat. Finally, there's unparalleled growth potential. IT is a field where you can choose from full-time roles, freelancing opportunities, or even start your own venture. And here's the kicker. While AI is disrupting other industries, IT is embarrassing AI to become even more efficient. If you are looking for a secure, high growth career, IT is your answer. Stick around before we are about to reveal the top 5 roles that can take you to 1 crore salary and how you get into it. So, starting with the role 5, solution architect role. A solution architect is a master planner for IT systems. Imagine Flipkart's big billion day sales. Millions of users logging in simultaneously, yet the websites run seamlessly without crashing. Do you know why? How does all this happen? The credit goes to solution architect who designs scalable, reliable systems that keep businesses running smoothly even under immense pressure. To succeed in this role, you need expertise in cloud platforms like AWS or Google Cloud Platform. You must be a problem solver capable of tackling real world challenges and possess excellent communication skills to explain technical ideas to both technical and non technical teams. Certifications like AWS Certified Solution Architect or GCP Certified Solution Architect are the great ways to stand out. If you're starting out and you can expect a salary range between 20 to 30 lakhs per annum, with an experience, you can rise up to 1 crore or even more. Now, starting with my role 4, which is the product manager role. A product manager is a driving force behind successful products like Swiggy Instamart. Do you know how things get delivered so fast with Swiggy Instamart? Now, there are product managers who are designing these features, understanding the customers' behaviors, their expectations. They oversee everything from brainstorming an idea to launching the product and ensuring it thrives in the market. Product managers work with various teams, analyze market trends, and understand customer needs and align all of those with the business goals. To excel, you will need skills like proficiency in project management tools such as Jira or Trello, the ability to analyze customer behavior, and basic understanding of coding to collaborate effectively with the developers. So the certification here would be Certified Scrum Product Owner certification, which is highly recommended. As a fresher, you can earn between 20 to 30 lakhs per annum. And with experience, this role can fetch you up to 1.5 crores annually in top companies like Google, Meta, Facebook, etc. Now, starting with the role 3 is AI specialist and data scientist. AI specialists and data scientists are the magicians behind the intelligent systems. Take Ola or Uber, for instance. Have you noticed how fare fluctuates based on traffic conditions? You see the search-based pricing there. Do you see when you watch anything on Netflix, your recommendations are also similar? That's AI in action. These professionals analyze huge amounts of data, build predictive models, and develop systems that can make smarter decisions. To excel in this field, you need to master programming languages like Python, databases like SQL, and machine learning tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch. Additionally, visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI, which will help you to present the data insights effectively. A good starting point is the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate here. Now, as a fresher, you can expect a salary between 15 to 20 lakhs per annum. And with experience, your salary can exceed to 1 crore and even more. Starting with the role 2, which is cybersecurity consultant. In today's digital world, cybersecurity is more critical than ever. Cybersecurity consultants are like digital bodyguards, ensuring systems and data remain safe from hackers and breaches. Whether it's preventing ransomware attacks or safeguarding sensitive information, their role is pivotal in protecting the businesses. Key skills include our ethical hacking, network security, risk management. Certificates like Certified Information System Security Professional CISSP, which gives you edge in this field. Freshers can earn between 15 to 20 lakhs per annum, while experienced professionals in the top companies like Amazon, Microsoft can earn a salary even more than 1 crore. Right, so isn't it huge? Now, going with the role 1, it is cloud engineer. Cloud engineers are the backbone of the modern digital age. As businesses move to platforms like AWS or Google Cloud, cloud engineers design, build, maintain these systems, ensure they are efficient, secure, and scalable. To thrive in this role, you will need expertise in cloud platform system designs and strong problem-solving skills. Certifications like Google Certified Cloud Engineer or AWS Certified Solution Architect are highly valuable. Freshers can start with 15 to 20 lakhs per annum, and experienced professional can go beyond 1 crore annually. So in conclusion, we've just explored the top 5 IT roles that can lead you to 1 crore salary roles like solution architect, product manager, cloud engineer, cybersecurity engineer, etc. These are not just jobs, they are the pathways to thriving futures in the IT industries. But here is a secret. Landing into these roles requires a roadmap. Whether it's earning the right certification, mastering the right skills, planning your career moves, you need a clear strategy. And that's exactly where we can help you here at Cosmic Curiosities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. And this is just the beginning. Stay tuned for our next session, where we'll deep dive into one of these specific paths, careers. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing with Cosmic Curiosities. See you soon!